My name is Jonathan Kemp. I go by JT. I'm studying machine tool technology and industrial maintenance technology. As a former contractor and carpenter, I liked working with wood, but working with metal, it just takes the craftsmanship to the next level. The machine tool technology program at Trident Tech has it set up just right. I love working with my hands, and at Trident Tech, that's just what we do. They understand that what we're here for is to be on the machines, turning metal, and within the first week, first 3 days, we were doing just that, turning metal. We spent a little time in the books. We know that's expected of us, but our interest is never lost. Upon completing the machine tool technology program at Trident Tech, I'm confident that I'll have the skills to choose the job that I want.